and gentlemen, on behalf of Southwest Airlines and your entire crew, we would like to be the first to welcome you to Chicago. For your safety, we do ask that you remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until we have arrived at the gate and the seatbelt sign has been turned off. Please use caution when opening overhead bins. Items may have shifted on our landing. This is the termination point of this flight. We do ask that you check in the seat back pockets, overheads, under your seats for any of your personal belongings. We certainly have enjoyed spending part of our evening, most of our evening, all of our evening with you. We look forward to seeing you again in the near future. We know you have a choice when you travel. We appreciate you choosing us here at Southwest Airlines. Thank you and have a great weekend.